Hi all, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today I'm going to be doing an ocean theme pour on a cheese board. So before doing the pour, I had already taped under the board as well as along the side of the board. Now the reason I have a tape along the side is so that when I'm pouring the resin on top, it doesn't just flow off the board until I'm ready for it to go down the side. I have already laid down the deep dark blue color. For this one I'm using Persian blue, and now I'm putting down the lighter blue and blending it a little bit to start creating the ocean feel. So now I'm heating up the resin a little bit and blending the two together, followed by laying down the white resin to create the waves. So I would suggest not to put down too much white. I've done this mistake before. It's easier to put a little bit and add than to put a ton of it and ruining the piece. So for this piece, I'll be swiping for the waves. Before doing that, I am going to heat up the resin a little bit and remove the tape along the side of the board. Now this is so that as I'm swiping, the resin would naturally start falling down the side and coating the sides of the board, and any excess resin will just flow down. And using the swiping tool, I am applying a light pressure to swipe the white resin on top of the blue color, creating the waves. So don't forget to wipe your tools in between each swipe. Once you're done with the swiping, use a blowtorch to heat up the resin. The blowtorch will also help the cells to develop. Once you're done with the waves, just make sure that you go around the side to make sure that all the sides are covered with resin as well. Once you're done, make sure to cover your piece so that no dust gets in the resin while it's curing. The next day, I have applied a layer of clear resin on top of a piece just to give it a little bit more depth to the ocean look. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a like so that other people get to see it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.